So same car, 2018 Colorado. We got a leak right here. We're gonna go ahead and mark where the leak's at, and you want to mark your valve stem as well. This will keep you from having to balance it after repair. So what you want to do is demount the tire. We actually have a pretty nice machine that will do everything basically for you. And yes. Alright. Tire is demounted. So you want to take out whatever's in the tire. This one happened to be just a little small nail. You want to puncture the hole.
Shave it down. Shave it down where it's flat so you can put the pad.
Once it's flat, back